New boat. Don't mind him. We're gonna start with this piece here because I'm doing some embroidery on it. We're gonna put it in the center there, and it'll just be a good piece to show off. But this is what it looked like before.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Here's the embroidered piece. Make my marks. Marks. Wow, isn't that beautiful? That's all I do. Sewing is my passion. I saw it like on Facebook Marketplace or something, the sign, and I was like, I'm gonna buy that and hang it up in the shop. Sewing is my passion. It had like flowers. So this one, then this one, and then we will sew these two pieces to the center together and do a French stitch on it.
I'm about to do something else French.
Something
in here
he knows nothing about because he could never sew. All he does is,
you're just a seamstress.
All he does is walk around. We'll make that work so we can pull it down and staple it. So we'll get this sewn up and then we'll staple it on. Put it through here. Five and a half inches. 5 1/2. What's that look like? This piece done. See? No wonder everybody calls me the best upholsterer in the state.
No one's ever said that.
I'm gonna print out an award
Okay.
that says that, and I'm gonna put it next to the sewing is my passion.
Front wall of the shop.
Yeah. Alabama's best upholsterer.
Yeah, certified.
Yeah, certified.